Hi viewers, this is Vinay Chandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class. Exercise number 12.3, fifth problem, page number 235. From each corner of the square of side 4 centimeter quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut, and also circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut as shown in the figure 12.23. Super. Find the area of the remaining portion of the square. Actually, they given a square. In the square, the four quadrants should be removed, cutted, and center on circle should be removed. Find the remaining area, that is the shaded portion. Are you all clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. And they said the center of the circle. What is the center of the circle here? They given a diameter is 2. So what is the radius? 1 centimeter, right? Excuse me. Okay, now each corner should be also they given that is a 1 centimeter radius. Each corner quadrant circle also 1 centimeter radius. Clear? So here center for this circle center is A. For this circle center is B. For this semicircle, quadrant circle center is C. For this semicircle, quadrant circle is D. So it is a radius. So radius is 1 centimeter. Are you all clear? I need out. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, now we can draw the diagram. It is a very easy question. Now we should draw the diagram. So center on circle, corner 4 circles. So we should find this region. Right? Excuse me. Okay, now here, what is the radius? What is the radius? 1 centimeter, right? Excuse me. So corner 1 centimeter. Here A, B, C, D. Okay, now you can tell me how we will find the shaded region area. How we can find it? Do you have any other idea to find the region? First the whole part is what it is. Very good. Area of a square. What it is area of the square here? A, B, C, D. That is side into side. What is the side measure they given here? Side measure. Very good. Super. Square units. So side here it is a 4 centimeter. So 4 into 4 centimeter squared. 16 centimeter squared. Right? Excuse me. Any doubt, Ra? Any doubt? Okay, next what we supposed to do? From the 16 centimeter squared, we should remove the circle area and 4 corner quadrant circle area also, right? Okay. Now we can find the area of a center circle. So area of circle is equal to area square units. What is the radius for center circle? 1. Very good. So 1 centimeter. We can substitute a 1 now. What it is? 22 by 7 into 1 into 1. So it is the same thing, 22 by 7, right? When you want to convert decimal, 3.14 square centimeter, right? Any doubt, Ra? Excuse me. Okay, now we can find the 4 corner quadrant. So the 4 corner quadrant are in a 1 centimeter radius. So we can find any one corner and we should multiply by 4. Clear? Okay, now listen. What is supposed to do first? So it is looks like a what? It is a quadrant. So what is supposed to do? How we can find the area of the quadrant? Do you have any idea? We can go with the area of a sector. Otherwise, what is the one more? Very good, baby. Super. So among these two, you can go with any one method. Here it is based on the sector problem. So you can go with the sector. So area of sector is equal to what it is? Area of the sector. Theta, not alpha. Theta divided by. Very good, Sanjay. You're rocking. The square units. Now, what is the theta here? Now, what is the theta here? You can consider this one. What is the theta? 9 degree. Why it is a 9 degree? With the square. So corner angles are 90. Very good. Super. So 90 degree by 360 degree into 22 by 7 into 1. Right? Excuse me. So now what it is? We can cancel 0, 0. 1 nines are 9. 4 nines are 36. So 1 by 4 into 22 by 7. Clear? Any doubt? square units. Now it is a one area of a single sector is this one. What about a 4 sector? We should multiply by 4. By 4 sectors equal to 4 into 1 by 4 into 22 by 7, right? Excuse me, da. Now 4 cancel, so remaining 22 by 7 square units. Are you clear, da? Any doubt? Excuse me. So now we should add a area of a circle and area of a 4 circle, and we can subtract from the 16, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. So area of shaded parts equal to area of square minus, we can subtract what are the things we can subtract it from that. Area of circle plus one more, what it is. We can subtract it what? Area of 4 quadrants. Is it clear? Excuse me. So area of the shaded part equal to area of the square 16 minus area of the circle, what it is, 22 by 7 plus 22 by 7. 4 quadrant also 22 by 7 square centimeter. So 16 minus, take LCM, that is 44 by 7, right? Clear? Excuse me. Otherwise you can add it to 3.14, that is 8 to 6, 6.28. So 16 minus 6.28, what it is? Can subtract it. 1600, here 6.28. So what it is? 2, here 10, here 9. So 9 minus 2, 7 dot. Here 6, it became a 5, 1, 15. 15 minus 6, 9. So 9.72 centimeters squared. Is it clear? Excuse me. Any doubt? Excuse me, any doubt? Excuse me, any doubt, others? Check a book back answer. Otherwise, when you are taking for LCM, it became a 68. What it is? 448 means it will come in a 68 by 7, right? We should multiply. 7 2s are, that is 42. 6 are 32 2, so 112 minus 44 by 7. So what it is? 42. What it is? Subtracted. 44 now 68 by 7, right? Clear? So when it is in a fraction, 68 by 7. When it is in a decimal, 9.78. You can use any one. Clear? Excuse me. Any doubt? Any doubt, Ra? So next problem, problem number 6. The problem number 6 is a little bit larger problem. So now we can, when we take this problem, it will take half an hour. So our next problem, 7th one ABCD is a square of, okay, 7th question is the easiest one. Now we can complete it. Then you can go and study. Tomorrow we will complete the remaining problems. Clear? Excuse me now. Okay now. Seventh problem. Just a minute. Seventh problem. Read a question. In a given figure, 12.25 is a square of a side 14 centimeter. So it is a 14 centimeter square with the center of ABCD of a 4 circles are drawn such that a circle touch externally 2 of each remaining 3 circles. Find the other shaded region. Are you clear? So you can consider this is a circle. This is a circles. In this, it is drawn in a square. It is in the center of the circle. So we should find the shaded region. Can anyone tell me how we can find it? What we did in the previous problem, same thing. Excuse me, how we can find it? First, we should find the area of a square. In the square, we should 4 quadrant. That's all. Super baby. So now we can find it. We should draw the diagram first. Okay. What is the diagram? 4 circle. It is a little tough task to draw the circle. Please adjust, right? Excuse me. Excuse me, da. Please adjust. A, B, C, D. So each one is a 90 degree because it's a square. What is the square side? Side of the square? 14 centimeter. So square 14 centimeter side, that is ABAD. What about the radius? This radius, for this radius alone, this totally 14 da. What about radius? This part alone, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, right? Okay da. Now we can find the area of a square. What it is? Area of a square. Area of the square is equal to side into side. So what is the side here? 14 into 14 square units. So square centimeter. So 14 into 14, what it is? What is the 14 into 14? Da? What is 14 into 14? 1. Very good. 196 square centimeter. Then now area of a quadrant or area of a semicircle. What it is area of a quadrant or semicircle? Formula. Area of quadrant is equal to what it is, da? Yes, theta into 360 degree into pi r square. So theta here 90 degree by 360 square units is equal to 22 by 7 into r square. What it is? R square what it is? 7 into 7. Cancel it. 1 4. So 1 by 4 into 22 into 7. Now we can simplify this. What it is? Shall we cancel this 2 da? 2 2s are 4. 1 2s are 1 2s are. So 11. So 77 by 2, right? Excuse me. Excuse me, da. Excuse me. So it is area of a single quadrant. Here we have a 4 quadrant. So for 4 quadrants, what it is? 4 into 77 by 2. Cancel it. What it is? 2 into 77. So what it is now? 2 into 77. 4 14 4 remaining 1. 4 14 154 square centimeter. Right, ra? Excuse me. Okay, da. Now we found the area of this 4 quadrant. Now we can subtract it from the area of a square. So area of shaded region, we can write shaded regions equal to shaded parts equal to area of square minus area of 4 quadrants. So area of a square 196 minus area of a 4 quadrant, what it is? 77 minus 77 by 2, what it is? You can subtract it. LCM and take a LCM, subtract it. Is it 77 da? No, 154. Sorry. 154. What is it? What it is? Subtract it. So here 4 is 16 and 2 4 42 centimeter square. Are you clear? Any doubt, ra? Excuse me, any doubt? I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment.